What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make some easy gyros, gyros, whatever you want to call them. I'm calling it the gyro, and we're going to get started right now. So, let's get started. That's right, baby, the gyro, the Midwest gyro, if you will, because originally, the gyro, euro, whatever you want to call it, you're saying like, oh, how do you pronounce it? Is it gyro? Is it euro? I've heard some people call it hero, but it ain't Spider-Man, so I'm going to call it the gyro today because it's just fun to say, gyro. So, the gyro is, traditionally it's a Greek thing. It's a Greek sandwich made in Greece, and it's usually made with, lamb or beef of some kind, but today I'm going to do it my way, baby, the good way, the easy way. So, I'm just going to use some old lunch meat roast beef, and I'll show you how in a minute. First thing that you got to do, though, you're going to cut up some vegetables, baby, because this thing is loaded with fresh things just like it ran through the garden. So, first thing that you got to do, get yourself an onion. And today, I went ahead and got a Vidalia onion. And y'all have heard that song, Vidalia, Vidalia. Girl, won't you tell me why? Sweet Vidalia, you always got to make me cry. Because they do when you cut them. And it's like they break your heart. So, cut up them Vidalia onions. Next, I went ahead and got some assorted peppers. That's just kind of going to give it a little more zest. Something good. So, then I used some tomatoes, little tomatoes, and just kind of sliced them up. And then, of course, I've got some shredded iceberg slam lettuce. Now, you get all that done, we're going to have to heat up the meat, baby. Get that sweet meat and, like I say, roast beef. Just small lunch meat roast beef. Now, like I say, you could use lamb, you could use the traditional Greek method, but you know me, I got time for that shit. So, roast beef it is, buddy. And the way I heated it up was just to get an old skillet, my skillet, turn it on low, put it in there, and kind of just flip it around and let it steam, baby. That steam heat that gets it hot to the touch. So, got all that done. And I think we're ready to assemble, you know what I mean? Easy stuff. So, let's go ahead and take our pita bread, because that's what you got to use here, is this old pita bread. And I got just some white style, pita bread. Pita, piper, pick the pickle, pepper, something. So let's go ahead and get moving here, because I'm starting to death. Now, move this knife out of the way that I used to cut all that shit up, and I'm going to grab some of that lettuce. I'm going to put a bed of lettuce down and lay it down good. So, quite a bit on there. You want it fresh. Next, let's go ahead and put some of them tomatoes on top. Just a few now. I'm going to use 3. You can use as much or as little as you want, but me, I'm just going to line in the middle of it. Now, let's grab a handful of them sweet pepper. Not too spicy yet, just kind of an original blend here, because I don't want anything that's going to make me run for the hills like Iron Maiden. Next, the onions. And you're saying, Black Owl, why the hell are we putting vegetables on the bottom? Well, that's the way it's done. Don't ask me. Ask the inventor of the gyro. So, little onions on there. Good. Now, let's go ahead and add that meat. Me, you know what I'm going to do. Pile it on there heavy. But there again, you can do what you want to do because it's your deal, baby. And finally, let's put a little sauce on that man, because sauce is the boss, baby. Speaking of which, give me a little drinky. Ooh, sweet stuff. Say Black Owl, what's that colorful drink you got? Well, this is that old gummy beer that I was drinking on the other day. I have a link to a review I did on that down in the description. You want to see about this beer, then go down there right now. I ain't got time for this shit. So, shake up our Zesty Ranch. We're using Zesty Ranch again. Now, the traditional Greek thing, it's got some kind of sauce, like Tetrazine, Tetrazada, Joni and Chachi. I don't know what it's called. We're not using that today. We're going to use this. You can use whatever you want at home, but me, I already had this and it tastes good, so that's it. And now, look at that big, bad, beautiful thing. Let's stand back and have a sight, and then we're going to have a big old bite of this beautiful Midwestern gyro tonight. Wow, man. time has come. The Midwest gyro is done. And I'm about to gyrate and have that first bite for me. You know what I'm talking about? Let's see if I can pick this thing up without making a big old mess. Gonna be sloppy, but gonna be worth it. That's a big old deal right there. Man. Sorry. I got it everywhere, but wonderful, baby. That meat blending in with those vegetables, all those vegetables. It's just so fresh. You know, when it's hot outside and you're hot like me, you don't want nothing too heavy, too greasy. This is perfect, man. Because like I said, the vegetables get in there. And you get that meat and that sauce. And that pita bread just has a different texture. This ain't no normal sandwich, baby. It's that good, good, good. So, I want to thank all of you good people for watching another episode of Cooking with Black. Oh, a finger-licking episode. Make sure that y'all like and subscribe and follow me on social media. And also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, I got to get back to this thing because I'm telling you what, good. So, see y'all later. Love you.